How to make public profile on Snapchat. So to make a public profile on Snapchat, first of all, after you open your phone now, go and open up your Snapchat app. After you open your Snapchat, now go and open your profile, this section, this one. After you come to your profile like this now, tap on this as you can see now, public profile. After you go to this public profile, as you can see now, here is it now. After you come to this public profile, now tap on this pencil icon. In this pencil icon, now tap on this edit button. So now go ahead now and select a profile picture for your public profile. So for me, I'll just tap on this memories and select one from my Snapchat memories. I'll select this one. So you can use your hand to resize it like this. So after you finish resizing your profile picture like this now, all you need to do now, you can tap on this confirm button. So now I added my profile picture. Now you can just go ahead and add your bio. As you can see now, add to bio, tap on this section, add section on your bio. So after you finish adding your bio, as you can see now, all you need to do now, tap on this section to add location. You can add your city, you can add your state, and you can add your country. After you finish adding all this information, all you need to do now, you can just tap on this, as you can see now, tap on this back arrow. So from there, as you can see now, here is the location. Now you can tap on this section, turn on show followers count, this one. After you turn on this option, all you need to do, tap on this back arrow again. So as you can see now, I created my Snapchat public profile. So now you can tap on this, as you can see now, this, and tap on this preview your profile. So now let's see my profile, how it will look if someone now open my public profile. That's it guys on how to do or how to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this video helps. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching guys.